29th of March. We had a fair bit of rain in the last 4 or 5 days, which was good. The garden is coming along very well. Yola's done a brilliant job planting and changing, and there's flowers everywhere. There's tucker coming up, you name it. Looking good. And we've done our outside area a little bit here, so we collect quite a bit of gear from various places over the last few weeks or so, and we made this a bit more interesting. Bit of skiing stuff there, snowshoes, old ones, Rossignol boots, skis like I had when I was a youngster. These are old snowshoes, and this is fascinating. This is a Arctic boot that we found a week ago with 1940s cross country. So we're trying to find out where it came from. It looks American, got US and all sorts of instructions. And this side here has got assorted old farm tools. So this just makes it all look a little bit more interesting, because there's a big area here. So we can sit here and admire that stuff.